Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. Today in this video, we will see what are the best Valorant agents for the map Split. Picking the most efficient agents is the way to getting that victory. Split is a fairly compact map with 3 main chokeholes at A and B side entrances and the mid area. We will be considering every role while selecting the best agent for the map Split. For the role of Duelist, Raze is a must pick for her utility since it can clear tons of close chokeholds. If you want to play Duelist, Jet can be added with no initiators. For the role of Initiator, Sky is a great pick for her dog ultimate and her flashes. For the role of Controller, you should go with Omen as Omen can teleport to high grounds. For the role of Sentinel, Sage and either one of the Killjoy or Cypher is the best to lock down mid and one side. Sage wall is highly used in the mid to cut off early access. So these are the best Valorant agents for Split. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button icon to get updates for our latest videos and drop a comment for more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video.